Hi, I'm Robbie. This is Rain. She's my dog. She will probably be in and out of the videos because she's never really far from me. I am completing a project I started for my daughter. She wanted a black dresser, so I am finishing up the drawers today. I've already washed them and wiped them down with a lint-free cloth. Today we'll be sanding, painting, installing the hardware, and this project will be complete. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe because I have a lot of projects to complete around my home. I bought a 1925 condo and I'm bringing it up to my taste. See what I mean? She's always in my face. So please like, excuse me, and subscribe, and follow me while I DIY my home. One thing I did forget to mention is that I am sanding these drawers to knock the shine off of them. I'm not really trying to remove the finish. I just want to rough it up a little bit so the paint will take better. When I finish sanding all of the drawers, I will wipe them off with a tack cloth. And a tack cloth is just a sticky type of cheesecloth, and that gets all the dust off the drawers. Okay, this is what I use. And I already have one open, so I'm going to continue to use that one.